a we will start on mental flexibility section. This section contains shape, and then we will learn about location, direction, counting shapes, and then we will solve practice questions. So let's start with the mental flexibility section. Here is some shapes. Either it wants you to know what's the difference or what is the missing shape or what is the similarity, okay? Okay, this is going to be easy for you. So yeah, raise your hand so I can make you answer with me. Okay, يلا فاطمة.
Yes, teacher. What is the difference between the following forms? I think it's B.
B
Yes.
or D? B. Excellent. Because you can see here that all of them is the same shape, it just rotated. This is the same shape here, the same edge, the same angle, but it's just rotated. This is looking at that direction, and this is that direction, and this is at that direction. But all of them, it is a same shape. They are all similar. B is the one, it is a different. Okay, thank you, Fatima. يلا Patil, question number 2.
Question number 2. C.
Excellent. The difference between them, it's a C. Excellent. Okay, يلا question number 3, Ali. Okay, Ali, I think I can't hear you. You hear Ali?
All of them. Wait, now.
Okay, yeah, now I can hear you.
Which part complements the circle below? The circle shows every part a perfect except a quarter of it, and none of the options have a quarter except A. A shows
Excellent.
the perfect shape for completing the circle.
Excellent, Ali. Excellent. So the completing shape, complements mean complete, okay? So the only one that complete this shape, A. Excellent, Ali. Thank you. Okay, before we solve this question, let me show you a video. Okay, let me show you a video of a rotation. Okay, it's not necessary here, but let's see here. Rotation of rectangle around itself or full around rotation, or it's called rectangle full circle around side. Okay, all of them will be like that. Let's see on the video here. So the rectangle rotate itself. So what's the shape that would be going to be a cylindrical? Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, let's repeat it again because some of you just joined. Okay. So the question will give you a shape, 2D shape, let's see. Okay. And it wants you to know what is the 3D shape. The 3D shape, basically, it is when the shape rotate at itself, okay? Full cycle rotation. So let's see here. We have this triangle, oh, sorry, rectangle. We have this rectangle, and when it's rotated, it's going to be what? It's going to be cylindrical, okay? Before we move, let me show you another shape. Okay, so this is another rotation. We have a 2D triangle, 2D triangle, and when I tell you that I want you to know what is the shape when it's rotate at itself or it has a full circle around the side. So it's going to be what? Here is the triangle, and when it's rotated, you can see here it is a cone. Okay, it is a cone. Okay, all of you see that, right? Because I see some that join late, so everyone see that, okay? Please don't write on me. Okay, everyone see that, right? Okay, so let's see here. It give you that shape, which is a rectangle, okay? And it said that what is the shape result of the rotation of the rectangle full cycle around itself? Yalla Fatima. What is the shape?
It's C, a cylinder.
Excellent. Thank you. Okay. Some of you joined late, so do you want me to repeat question number 1, 2, and 3? Write in the chat, please. Do you want me to repeat that question because you joined late? Okay. Okay. So first, in question number 1 and 2, first, before we start, let me show you what is the concept of this section. We will have some shapes here, and we will answer it based on the question, okay? So first, question number 1 and 2, it said that what is the difference between the following forms? So that way you will look on these 4 shapes, okay? And you want to know what is the difference, okay? Oh, what is the different shape? You can see here A, C, and D. It's the same shape, okay, with the same angle here and with the same curve. But B, it has just one right here and one right here, and it's not symmetrical also. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 1, just 1, okay? So you can see that B is the different shape, okay? Also, question number 2, you can see here that all this sun has a symmetrical sunlight, like triangle here. But C is different. And question number 3, which part complement the circle below? This is the circle, and which part is complement for it? Complement mean complete. Okay, complement mean complete. So which one complete this shape? It will be A, because it's a one that when we put it like right here, it will complement it. Okay. Okay. Question number 4, what shape is the result of rotation of rectangle full circle around the side? So this is a rectangle, and when it's rotated, it will be cylindrical. Do you want me to show you the video again? Okay, let me show you the videos. Yeah, okay. So a rectangle, when it has a full rotation around itself, or full cycle rotation, it's going to be like that. See the video? So this is a rectangle, and when it's rotated, it's going to be a cylindrical. Okay? And here for the triangle, when it's has a rotation, full rotation or full cycle rotation, it's going to be like that. This is a triangle, and then it's going to be cone. Okay, it's going to be a cone. Okay. Okay, so let's move to question number 5. Yalla, Zaina.
Yes, teacher. So what is the resulting form of the following parts? So the last one, if we're gonna put it, then we're gonna put the first one down, then the square in between them, like we're gonna put them so it makes an L and like a square over it. So the answer is gonna be C.
Excellent. So
Thank
it's
you.
basically that we put them together. The shape will
Yeah.
be, yes, so the shape will be results of how the assembly them. It's going to be C. Excellent.
Teacher, I was wondering, do you have classes tomorrow and after tomorrow?
Friday and Saturday, we don't have a class on the weekend.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, question 6. يلا الحنوف.
Relationship E to E like a relationship to of C to B.
Excellent. B, because it's facing each other. So it's going
Yeah.
to be a same shape that faces. Excellent الحنوف.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, let's see here. Question number 7. يلا Jude. Question number 7.
7. What's the following figure?
Okay. We have a two-step here. It's that star rotated, and also this ball will be moved. Okay, so let's see here. Do you want me to help you with that?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Okay, so first the star will be rotated. So that star will be rotated like that, one step. And also this ball will be right here, and this ball will be right here. Not in this corner in that space, okay? So it will be here. And then you can see that outside, the pole outside, it will be at the corner, but the inside, it will be inside, okay? So let's focus here. First, we rotate it and we move the poles. Then we will rotate it another rotation here. It's going to be like that, okay? And then we will move the pole. So we can just depend on a pole position or this circle position to know what's the answer. So we will cross C and B because it's not definitely not the answer. Let's see here A and D. This outside is going to be at that corner, and this one is going to be here inside this angle. And then this is going to be at that angle. So when it's going to be here, okay, and that is going to be here. So what do you think? A or D?
My answer is D.
Excellent. D. Because
Thank
this
you.
is going to be here. This is going to be here. The circle is going to be outside here. Okay. The last image, it is here. So it's going to be moved. Okay. And also the last star here, like that. So it's going to be moved. But A, you can see that A, it is moving two steps. It should be here, not here. So it's moving two steps. Should be here. So D is the following shape. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Excellent. Welcome. Okay, so all of you understand this question. So as I told you that shape, it has a two-step. It's going to be a star, which is rotated, and two circle movements. But star, it's kind of hard to know what's the rotation here because it has a same angle. But to the circle, we can know that one of them move a step on the corner and the second one move inside. So one step, it's going to be here, and one step here, it's going to be right here. You all understand? Okay, excellent. Okay, so let's move to question number 8. يلا آمنة.
Yes.
So here you have this house, and now it's going to tell
C,
you find the
C,
correct
C.
answer.
C.
Okay. First, before we start answering, we should know, is it going to have, or is it going to ask you about same shape or different? Now, let's see for the answers. Here,
C.
okay, first, let me help you. Here, what's the thing that called here? That above the house, and it's going to have a vapor of. Okay, so this one, it's going to have a. Returner. Okay, so here on this house, it's going to be on the right place, right? A
Yes.
so this on the right, A on the left, B on the right, C on the left, sorry, on the right, D on the right. So what do you think is the answer? So here on the first two questions, it asks you about what is the different shape, right? This is like that. This is like that. So you have here a one on the right, and B, C, D, all of them has that on the. So yes, excellent. So it's going to be A because it's the only one who is different. Okay, excellent. All of you understand this question? Okay, excellent, all of you. Okay, let's see here. Question number 9. يلا, Iliana. So
Yes.
Iliana, this is the same. It give you a 4 shape here, and it wants you to know what's the different shape between them. So we have this pentagon, and it has a triangle on the right and square on the left. So also P, has a triangle on the right and square on the left. And D, when you rotate it, let me see here if I can take a screenshot. Okay, I think I can. But when you just draw it, a flip down, so it's going to be like that. This is a pentagon, and this is, you flip it like that. Okay, so this is a triangle, and this is a square. So again, this is going to be left and right. So what do you think the different one?
C.
C, excellent. Excellent, Ariana. So yes, on question number 8, it wants you to know what's the different one. Okay? You all understand question number 9. D is not correct because you can just flip it. You can just flip your iPad or a book, and you can see that is similar to A. So they are similar, but just a rotated. Okay? Try to flip it. Try to rotate it like that. I want it from upside down. Okay, so try to flip it. I think I have a, yeah, I don't have it. But here, I think select, let me see here. Okay, I can't. Okay, so basically, I just want to take a screenshot here and show you that it's going to be a flip. So let me try. Here. Okay. So for that, let me show you. This is D, okay? So just to flip it. Okay, so just flip it like that. It's going to be like A, right? This is same like A. This is A, and this is D. So they are similar together. But C, it's the only one that have a square on the right and triangle on the left. Okay? Do you now understand? Do you now understand? So can we move to question number 10? Okay, excellent. Okay, yeah, like question number 10. Okay, يلا يوسف. It is the
Yes.
same as rectangle. Do you remember what rectangle, when you have a rotation of rectangle, what's the shape?
Yes.
So,
It's C.
excellent. So a triangle, when it's a full rotated, it's going to be a cone. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, excellent. Okay, question number 9. Let me show you here. That question number 9, you're going to have a different shape, okay? So here, what is the shape? A, B, you can see that the triangle on the right and square on the left. And this is the pentagon. Here, it is also in B, you can see that B also have it like that, okay? So also on B, you can see that on B, okay, let me rotate it. So also on B, you can see that when we rotate it, it's going to be the same shape, okay? And on D, when you rotate it, it's going to be the same. What I'm meaning with the word same, that means that the pentagon on the middle and triangle on the right and square on the left, okay? But the only one that is had a square on the left, on the right, and okay, the square on the right and triangle on the left, C. So it's going to be the different shape, okay? Don't mind about the longer or smaller. They are all the same, but the different one, it's going to be what is the location of these two shapes, square and triangle, okay? I just screenshot to make you understand it better. Okay, يلا question. Okay, يلا فاطمة, question number 11 here. Okay, Fatima, question number 11.
Yes. So I know what's the answer. I think the answer is B.
Yes, excellent. How did you get that?
Because when you roll, because once you fold it, the plus and X will be together, and then above it will be the white space, and under it will be the division.
Yes. And
But
on
in
the
A,
yes.
Yes, the plus and division will be together, but above them won't be the blank. Above them will be the X and the slash. And in C, the minus and the slash will be together, but
It's going to be that, like that shape,
yeah.
right? Yes, excellent.
And
Okay.
in D, possibly, yes, it could be correct, but
Okay, let me show you. a video here that I made it to make you understand that. Oh, sorry. Okay. So this is the same concept that Fatima answered with it. Okay. We just, oh, okay. Okay, so you can see here that I put the same shape, okay? Focus on the video. This is the same shape here. This is the plus, this is the plus. This is a division, this is the division. This is a line, and this is the line on the same side. X, X, blank, blank, and here's the subtraction, and also here's the subtraction. So I will fold it. You can see that I fold it now to make it a cube. So to know the answer, you can imagine that the right one, which has a plank above, X on that side, and a plus on that side. Okay? So let's see here. This is the plus, this is the division, but above, oh sorry, this is a plank, but on that side, it's not going to be a division, it's going to be that slash. Okay? So A is not correct. And also C, you can see here that on C, this is a line, but on that side, it's going to be a different, okay? It's going to be like that, as my eraser, okay? Okay, let me also teach you another trick to answer this question. So, wait a minute. Okay, so you're going to numerate them with number. So this is 1, 2, and here's a 3. And also here you have 1, 2, and here you have a 3. So A, you have 2, like that. And the plus is a 3, and a division, it's going to be 2. So this is a repeated number. Okay? So all of you understand this question? You want me to repeat the video? You want me to repeat the video? Or you already understand it? Okay. Okay, على question number 12. يلا نوال.
Question 12. So, in the figure, it shows, what I believe is a boat. And I believe question 12, we're supposed to find the opposite.
It wants you to have the same shape, okay? Because all of them different, but the only shape that similar, which one?
The only shape that's similar is C.
Excellent, C, because the base is red like that and also has the same shape.
And the colors
But
are all the same.
yes, excellent. So A and D, we will delete them because the base here not similar. B, it is the same shape, but you can see here that it's a different color. The base should be red. Sorry. So the base should be red, and all of it a different except C. So C is the answer. Okay. Do you mean question number 12, Fatima? Okay, let me explain it again. So here in question number 12, it wants you to know what is the similar shape. Okay, similar. Similar not mean the identical. Okay, similar, just similar shape. So I want a two triangle, one of them going to be a blue and the other one going to be green, and with base, here's the base, or I think isoscale here. It's called also isoscale. So wanted with red. Okay. So to know what is the answer, A, it does not have the same shape. It's two triangle, but not the same shape. So this is not the answer. D, you can see here, this is not triangle, and this is not the same shape, just one triangle. So this is not the answer. V, it has the same shape. We have two triangle and that shape. Okay, but this is not D. So it wants you to know what is the similar shape and what is the similar color. Okay. So it is not, it is same shape, but not similar color. Okay. Different color. The base, it is blue here and red here. And also for the triangle, it's a different. So the answer would be C. Okay, here it give you that shape and it wants you to assemble it. Okay. So one square with two triangles. So let's see here. Hussein, one square with two triangles. What is the shape?
It would be C because if the shape down, if you put it on the left and the one up on the right, it would look like C.
Excellent. So it's going to be C. We change the color here. Okay, it's going to be C because you have a square and two triangles. So like that. It's going to be like that. Okay. It's going to be like that. Okay. Excellent, Hussein. Okay, question number 14. It's a pattern. So it wants you to complete the pattern. Okay. So let's see here. Ala.
Yes.
Yeah, question number 14. It's a pattern and
Question
it wants you
number
to
what?
complete. 14.
I think it's
So here we have one
D.
line. Excellent, D, because here we have one line. And here, how many lines? 1, 2. So two lines. Here, 1, 2, 3 lines. Here's 4 lines. And here it will be 5 lines. Okay? Excellent,
Okay.
Ala. Do you all understand this question? Okay, question number 15. It is same like the star with the two circles above, okay? You have one line that is change on the position and one pentagon that change on the position, okay? So who want to answer it? I will help you with that. Who want to answer it? Okay, يلا Ali.
Yes.
Okay, question number 15. So let me help you first, okay? First, let's see what is the position of line. So line, it's moved like that. First, it's on the top, so it's moved down. Oh, let me say on the right. So first on the right, and then down, and then on the left. So it moved like that. Going to be here first, then right, down, left. So what is the next position?
I think it would go up again.
Up, excellent. So we can delete question, answer B and C. Okay, now for the pentagon. Okay, now for the pentagon. This is the line. The pentagon first move down, then to the right, then up, then going to be what?
Left.
Down, right, up, left. Excellent. So going to be A or D?
D.
Excellent, Ali. Excellent. Okay, all of you understand this question? Shall we move? All of you understand this question or not? You can write on the chat. Okay, let me explain it again. So first you have a two relationship, okay? Two relationship. First, you have a line. This line, first, it's going from up to right and stop here. So this is 1 and this is 2, 3, and 4. So first from up to right, then from right to down and stop here. So this is 2. Stop on the bottom. And then from the bottom to left. So left. And then going to be from left to what? To up. So you know that the answer will have this square with line up. Okay, so B and C, not the answer. Okay, this is for the line. Then for the pentagon. The pentagon here, you can see that it moved first, move down. Okay, so you can see here that on the left down, then move to right. So here right, then move up. So here's up, and then it's going to move what? Left, right? Because it doesn't move on left, like the line doesn't move to up. So first down, right, up, left, then going to be what? Going to be here is left. So this is the pentagon here. Okay? Do you now understand? Okay. Excellent. Okay. Yeah, question number 16. Okay, this is a shapes. Change that. Okay, this is a shapes. You can see here that is a rectangle with shaded yellow, and rectangle, here's the rectangle shaded yellow, rectangle with lined yellow, only the line, and rectangle with shaded white. And you can see here there's a circle shaded white, circle shaded yellow, and circle with only lines. So what is the missing shape here? Let's see. Naif, what is the missing shape here?
The missing shade. Wait.
So you can see here, there's a rectangle with yellow and uh, with not shaded and shaded white. Also for the circle. But this shape, has just shaded white. So what do you think?
C, because all of them have three shapes. One that is filled with yellow, one that is filled with white, and one that is not filled.
Okay, so what is the missing?
So the missing is C.
Do you think C, or let's see here, this is not shading.
I mean A, sorry.
Yes, excellent, A. Okay, so the answer is going to be A. Excellent. Okay, all of you understand this question? Okay, let's move to, okay, this is the last page of shape, and I will give you a break. I think you're already tired, so I will give you a 5 minutes break, okay? Okay, يلا. Jenna, question number 17. Find the different shape here, or find the different shapes. What do you think?
Each one is there's a triangle, circle, and square in each, but the only one that doesn't have a square is D, so the answer is D.
Excellent, Jenna. Excellent. Okay, Yusuf, question number 18. Okay. Okay, يلا علي, question number 18.
18. The model shows a hexagon and
Yes, you can choose. This is here square that we take a base from it. So this hexagon.
C, C.
C, excellent. C. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Okay, question number 19. Yalla Joanne, question number 19. Okay, question number 17. You have here a 4 choices, okay? The first one has a triangle, square, and triangle, circle. This is a circle and this is a square. Also B, you have a square, triangle, circle. Here also you have circle, square, triangle. But this D has just 2 squares and 1 triangle. So this is going to be the different shape, okay? Okay, question number 19. Yalla Yusuf.
The tree we take from its something is gonna have a leaf. So if we take something from the birds, we're gonna have a feather.
Excellent, feather. So we take a leaf from the tree. So we take a feather from the bird. Okay, excellent. Okay, the last question, and then I will give you a 5-minute break. Yalla Al Hanouf. So this is the shape here, and it wants you to know what is the shape that have it same shape, or let's say identical. Same, okay?
Is it A?
Yes, excellent. A. Because it has the same shape with same direction also. This is direction. So the same shape and same direction. So it is A. Excellent. Okay, all of you understand this question? Or do you have any question that you don't understand? You can write in the chat. Excellent. Okay.